For folks who are interested in tech, I know you are most likely overwhelmed by where to start from. Whether you are just out of school, looking for career change, or just simply curious, this video will guide you step by step on how to kickstart your tech journey even if you have zero experience. My name is Jubril and I am the senior dev. My journey to tech was actually a very long one, which some might consider an old-fashioned way of getting into tech in these days. I mean, I had to get a bachelor's in software engineering, master's in software engineering, and even attended an intense bootcamp that straightened me out, coupled with over 7 years of active industry experience in different segments of fully functional software development lifecycle. A lot of folks are really trying to get into tech industry, but still stuck in a confusion of where to pick it up from. Let's have this conversation. Tech is a very diverse field with something for everyone. You can look at it like the medicine field, where you have different specializations like opticians, dentists, physicians, dermatologists, surgeons, and many more. In tech, you can choose to be a software developer, data analyst, cybersecurity expert, UI UX designer, cloud engineer, AI engineer, and much more. For example, I chose software engineering, which involves writing code to build applications and systems. It's one of the most popular parts in tech, especially if you love problem solving. Now, if you're into numbers and patterns, data science might just be good for you. Data scientists analyze and interpret complex data to help companies make informed decisions. If you're interested in protecting systems and data, cybersecurity is a critical and growing field that you might want to look into. If you're more creative and love designing user experiences, UX UI design focuses on making digital products easy and enjoyable to use. Another one is cloud engineering. With the rise of cloud technology, cloud engineers manage and maintain cloud-based systems, which are essential in today's tech landscape. This video is intended for people with zero experience in tech who are willing to come into tech. If you're looking at tech as a one niche thing, you might get confused on what exactly you want. The first step is to pick a path that aligns with your interests and strengths. If you enjoy logical thinking and creating things, software engineering might be for you. If you love analyzing data and drawing insights, data science could be your calling. Explore and research. Spend more time exploring each field in tech. Watch YouTube videos, read articles, and even take free introductory courses to get a feel for what excites you the most. I know it's not going to be an overnight process, but once you've picked a path, it's time to dive into the basics. For instance, I chose software engineering and decided to specialize in .NET Tech Stack, which is a Microsoft technology. I started by grasping the SQL logic and learning C#, which is a powerful, versatile programming language. Went further to learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for my front-end skills. Explored some UI framework like Angular and Ionic framework for mobile apps. I then went further to learn cloud engineering based on requirements of my daily task at work. My point is, whatever path you choose, start with the basics. If you pick software engineering, you will need to understand programming concepts, algorithm, and data structures. For data science, focus on statistics, data manipulation, and maybe Python programming language. There are countless resources available online. Platforms like Pluralsight, Udemy, and even YouTube offers courses that are perfect for beginners. And for other parts in tech, just follow the same logic to gradually learn the basics of whatever part you may be interested in. Don't rush. Take your time to build a strong foundation because that will determine what your future will be like in whatever part you've decided to go with. As you learn the basics, it's essential to apply what you've learned by building a project. Start small, maybe a simple calculator app if you're into software development, or a basic data analysis project if you're into data science. In my case, after learning the basics of C# and .NET, I started building small applications. This hands-on experience was crucial in solidifying my knowledge and confidence. As you get more comfortable, challenge yourself with more complex projects. For example, build a full-stack web application or analyze a real-world data set. The goal is to create a portfolio that showcases your skills. Contributing to open source projects or taking on freelance gigs can also be great ways to gain practical experience and build your resume. Regardless of what path you have chosen, tech is constantly evolving, so continuous learning is part of the job. Whether it's keeping up with new programming languages, tools, or industry trends, staying updated is key. Much of what you learn comes from actually working in the field. In my software engineering journey, I learned so much on the job, like debugging, working with different technologies, and collaborating with different teams. Networking and community is a very essential part of the journey. You should join tech communities, attend meetups, and network with professionals. This not only helps you learn, but also open doors to job opportunities and collaborations. So to recap everything I've said, start by picking a tech specialization that excites you, dive into the basics of whatever path you've picked, build projects to put your skills into practice, make sure to network by surrounding yourself with people in your field of interest, and never stop learning. It might seem daunting, but I promise you, with dedication and the right mindset, breaking into tech is within your reach. Everyone starts somewhere, and the most important thing is to keep moving forward, even if it is just one small step at a time. Your future in tech is waiting for you to take that first step. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone you know who might be interested in breaking into tech. I'm looking to mentor about 5 people on their software engineering journey, so if you need any help with this journey, kindly follow me on Instagram, and let's get you up and running. Drop any question you have in the comment and I'll be glad to help.